Ito ang Biyahe by DJ Lala Banderas. DJ Lala Banderas.
Nagbabalik DJ Lala para sa ating programang Sakto, Klaro, Diretso. Unang stop ng ating hashtag biyaheng handa ka na ba? Love, for those who seek the truth, for those who are looking for closure, tanong ko lang din sa inyo na kung handa ka nang makinig, handa ka na din bang tanggapin ang katotohanan? May mga tao kasi na gustong malaman ang sagot sa tanong na bakit, but they are not prepared to accept the truth na taliwas sa gusto nilang marinig. It's like saying sorry to someone and telling them it's their fault as to why mo sila nasaktan. Nagsorry ka pa, di ba? Ganon din yon sa paghingi ng katotohanan. Huwag mong hingin kung hindi mo pa kayang tanggapin. Ang ending lang kasi niya na another bangayan, another blame game, another reason to be stressed and be in pain. So if I were you, seek the truth out when you're already prepared sa outcome no matter what it is. Baka kasi instead of closure, makapagbukas ka pa ng window for pain to slide back in. Okay? So this coming year, don't do anything you are not yet prepared for. Like closure, di ba? Minsan it's better to just let go and let it be. Nako, nagsisimula pa lang po ang ating usapan ngayong gabi na hashtag biyaheng handa ka na ba? So kung gusto mong makisali sa usapan, all you have to do ay pumunta sa aking FB fan page, DJ Lala Banderas. For now, let's go back to more of my amazing music. Proud na proud. Siyempre, handpick ko yan eh. Next stop ng ating hashtag biyaheng ready ka na ba ay para sa mga taong nagsi-engage this year. Hindi naman sa better ako pero parang gano'n na nga. Just lang. Kidding aside, have you asked yourself lately, is it really the right time to do so? I mean, hindi naman sa nagiging nega ako or something, it's just that na-amaze ako or na-taken aback ako siguro sa dami ng na-engage na kakilala ko sa timeline ko sa gitna ng pandemya. I mean, if this is but an ordinary or at least man lang normal season, I won't be intrigued by it. But dahil nga naman may pandemya, I cannot help but think na ano ba, feeling ba nila end of the world na kaya napagdesisyonan na nilang mag-settle down na agad? Am I missing something? May memo ba? Di ko ba nakuha? But hey, don't get me wrong, I am so happy for them. I really am. And I am wishing them the best this life has to offer. Sana lang you are marrying the person for the right reason and it's not being pushed by any pressure, age, or the scare of being lonely or alone or by the isolation brought about by this pandemic. Sabi nga ng mga matatanda, me included. Ang pagpapakasal ay hindi parang pagsubo ng mainit na kanin na kapag napaso ka, iluluwa mo lang. Think long and hard, my love. Delay if you must. Love is love. It doesn't matter how long it takes before you pursue the big day. What matters is both of you are stable and ready. Okay? See, di naman talaga ako nega or di naman talaga ako bitter. Matanda lang talaga ako. Sigurista si ate. Because sometimes being prepared is being smart about the future. Okay? Last stop ng ating hashtag biyaheng handa ka na ba ay para naman sa mga taong may change of heart sa career. For whatever reason, my love, that you push to decide on giving up your current status and be somewhere else, please think about it first. Assess if you have the liberty to do so and if now is the right time for it. Kasi love pandemic Madami nga ang nagkukumahog humanap ng trabaho tapos ikaw na meron, bukod sa puro kareklamo, gusto mo pang sumuko ng dahil lang sa katrabaho. I mean, I get it. Diba? Nagigets ko naman. It's toxic. It's hard for you to move. Hindi ka properly compensated. But love, it's a very challenging time for everybody, even sa companies. As much as they want to give everybody the compensation that they think they deserve, even they are affected by this monstrous ordeal. Global to kaya lahat apektado. So I guess what I'm trying to say is, wag muna sa ngayon, my love. Sana wag muna ngayon. Wag mo muna isabay yan ngayon. You need your job today more than ever. This global problem is far from being over. 2020 may be ending, but itong nararanasan natin is still ongoing. So if tatanggalan mo ng income ang sarili mo sa panahon kung kailan nahihirapan din ang mga companies, baka wala kang mahanap na kapalit nito. So please delay. Be patient. patient and wait this pandemic out. May mga problema naman talaga sa ang kamang kumpanya mapunte. The only thing that can make it work to your advantage is how you see things through. Okay? Sa mga kabisyo natin, kalma lang. Huwag muna po kayo magmaasim. Huwag ngayon. Okay? Baka pulutin ka sa kangkungan. Naka, pwede pa rin tayong mag-usap, magkwentuhan over at my Facebook fan page, DJ Lala Banderas. Again, kasama nyo pa rin, DJ Lala, para sa ating programang biyahe, ang programang sakto, klaro, diretso. Hatid sa inyo ng 90.7 Love Radio. GV lang, walang hate, puro love lang.
Always your number one SM radio station. Love Radio.
Love, kung natuwa ka sa aming video, i-click mo na yung subscribe button at yung notification bell para naman notified ka sa mga bago naming videos.